Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use coupons on the Walmart app. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now in this case, for you to start using your coupons or e-vouchers on the Walmart app, what we need to do first is we need to open the Walmart app and basically sign in into your account. Now from then on, browse through the items you want to purchase, then add them to your cart. Now once your cart is full or you've gotten all the items that you want to buy, you want to tap on the shopping cart icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Now look for a section at the top of the screen labeled for e-vouchers or promo codes. Also, alternatively, you can find the option to enter a promo code in the payment section. Now, for e-vouchers, so if you have an e-voucher assigned for your account, you should see the option to redeem it. Tap on it and apply the voucher to your order. Now, you could use a promo code instead also. So, enter your promo code in the designated field. So, this is usually found in the payment section again. Now, once you've entered the promo code or redeem your e-voucher, the discount will be applied to your total. Make sure the discount is actually reflected before initializing the purchase. Now, proceed with the payment and then complete your purchase. And that's about it. So, by the way, you can only use one e-voucher or promo code per order. So, ensure to apply this code or voucher correctly as it cannot be combined with another for the same purchase. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.